Bread is one of those things I absolutely love, but can't have it on the keto diet. But I can have these biscuits. So today I'm going to show you how to make these very tasty and amazing biscuits that I can eat on the keto diet. Now, I normally like to stick with a whole food keto plan, but every now and then it is nice to bring back one of those comfort foods I used to enjoy. But this one is with a healthy twist. The recipe I am making today will make 6 small biscuits or 4 large biscuits. I'm going to do the 4 large just because between the two of us, it makes just the perfect amount. And on top of everything, they are very simple to make. So let's get into it. I start out with sour cream. Sour cream is very easy to make on your homestead. I've already made a video on just this topic. It's as simple as letting cream set on the countertop overnight with some lemon juice in it. I have 3/4 of a cup of sour cream here. Now you can also use yogurt in the place of the sour cream. Yogurt is easy to make as well on your homestead. Into the bowl, I am adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now for the almond flour, you can crush almonds and make your own. However, I have some almond flour here that I need to use up, so I am going to use the pre-ground almond flour. I dip in my measuring cup to get the almond flour, but don't compact it. I scrape the top off. Now the recipe calls for 2 cups. My 1 cup measuring cup is currently being occupied, so this is my 2/3 of a cup measuring cup. I will just measure out 6 of these to make a total of 2 cups of almond flour. Now it's time to mix it all up. It will seem like it won't want to come together, but keep mixing. You may even need to pull it out on the countertop like I have here and fold in the flour until everything is incorporated. You will need parchment paper. I have a piece here. You can tell that I just baked some of these biscuits, so I am going to reuse the same piece of parchment paper. No need to waste it. I cut the dough into 4 pieces and roll each piece into a ball and shape into a biscuit shape. At this point, it is as easy as putting the biscuits in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Once those 25 minutes are up, pull them out of the oven and be amazed. Have you tried these low-carb almond biscuits before? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.